Not all cars are created equal, especially when it comes to ambient lighting installation. While the ambient lighting installation varies from one car to another. Not all cars are created equal, especially when it comes to ambient lighting installation. What works perfectly in BMW might be a real challenge in Volkswagen. So before you buy kit or offer installation to a customer, you need to understand how different car models affect your lighting work. Let's break down dashboard design. Some cars have exposed seams and panels, perfect for sliding in fiber optic strips. Others, like high-end Benz models, have tightly sealed dashboards that require precise disassembly. Door structure. In BMWs, the door cars often include solid molding, so you need to look wires carefully. In Toyotas or Volkswagens, it's easier to tuck lighting behind soft trims. Footwell and center console. In sedans, you have more space under the dash for clean footwell lighting. But in packed cars or electric cars, everything tighter and requires smarter positioning. The point is, installation isn't just about sticking LED strips, it's about knowing how each vehicle behaves. So if you are working in this business, never treat all installations the same. Get to know the cars, trims, the panels, the space, the electrics, because that's what separates a material jobs from premium quality work. In next video, we will go to deeper brand by brand, like how ambient lighting setups differ in BMW, Benz, Volkswagen, and more. Follow along so you can upgrade your knowledge and your service.